Hi everyone, I hope you're really well. Today we are going to be talking about the new GHD Oracle, which is their new curling tool, and I will be showing you how to create this specific type of curl. So the Oracle is their brand new curling tool, as is probably the best word to use, and it's got lots of new technology and innovation in it that's taken them a long time to put together, and it's really interesting when you learn how different it is to other curlers. So the first thing that is really unique about buying a GHD Oracle is that you can't just get it anywhere. You have to get it in selected salons. If you go on the GHD website and search locations, you'll be able to find out where to get it. I'll leave a link in the description box below. But in order to buy it, you have to have an education session with a stylist. And I think this is so good because when you buy an expensive new hair tool and you go home and try to figure it out yourself because you've seen somebody else use it online, that's the part where things get really frustrating for people. As far as what I've heard from you guys, you end up not getting the best use out of the tool. You thought you'd be able to create 3 different types of curls. You can only really get the hang of one, and then you get frustrated and bored and you feel like you've wasted your money, or you go and buy another tool and it's just kind of like you end up collecting lots of different hair tools and, you know, wasting your money. But with the Oracle, you have to actually have an education session with a stylist. So the stylist will sit you down and do a consultation with you and show you how to create the different types of curls. So with the Oracle, you can create beachy waves, modern waves, like, you know, effortless waves like this, really traditional looking curls. There's lots of different types of curls you can create based on how you place the hair in the barrel. And the stylist will sit there with you and go through these with you. And I just think that is so cool because when you're buying an expensive hair tool, it really is an investment. I was around when GHD straighteners came out, and before that we were ironing our hair on ironing boards. And I know people who still have their GHD from when they were like 16, or, you know, they've only had to invest in a new one recently. So this is like an investment. You know, when you're buying an expensive tool, you want to know how to use it, you want it to last for years, and you want to get the most out of it. So being able to actually be taught how to use it is so cool. So I did go to the launch of the GHD Oracle, but what I decided to do was actually book in one of these education sessions myself and get taught from a stylist in the same way that you would how to use the curlers. And I feel like this would give me the best customer experience so that I would be able to communicate to you in the best way possible how to use the curlers. Today I'll only be showing you how to create one type of curl, but I'm going to make it as comprehensive as possible, and you can see how easy it is to use and all that different type of stuff. So you can see with the Oracle here, it's got like a U-shaped barrel. This is the curl zone, and how the technology is different is that you create curls by gliding your hair through this, obviously, without having to do the, you know, twisteroonies that we've all done with our straighteners. But what it does is it heats up your hair to curl the hair, but cools it at the same time. And essentially that gives the effect of setting your hair, setting your curls. So we all know when you're curling your hair and the hair is still hot, that's when you want to leave the curl in place to cool down, and the cooling down is what sets the curl. Even if you put your hair in rollers, it's the cooling down of the rollers that really sets the hair. The more you leave it to cool down, the curl lasts longer. But that technology is actually within here. Essentially, you're not having to sit and wait for your curls to set for as long. It's just a really cool new type of technology, and I feel like GHD have really gotten it right with this one. Today I will be showing you how to create these effortless, like undone, next day kind of waves. What is it about undone things? Undone hair, or like I woke up like this hair or makeup, that is the most efforty. Like the effortless stuff is actually the most efforty. To get something messy and cool girl chic, and I don't know why I say cool girl because I'm not cool, but you know, like messy and kind of older and chic and undone, it's actually harder, which is so funny. And I wanted to show you this type of curl because this is my favorite. I'm going to leave you now with the tutorial. I explained everything as best as I could, pop-ups on the screen, everything, so that you would really understand how to create this type of curl. If you want to know how to create any of the other types of curls with the Oracle, have a look on GHD's own YouTube channel. And if you want an oracle, I will leave a link in the description for where you can find a salon near you that you can book in an appointment and learn how to use it and purchase it. So yeah, let's get on to the tutorial. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope that this gave you a really good look into how the oracle works, all of my tips and tricks on how to use it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will talk to you again really, really soon.